BBAI stock analysis and price predictions for this is Tuesday and onwards. Is it a buy or not? Which is brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. As I'm just observing BigBear AI, mate, like this is a solid bullish market. Pre-market is a little bit lower in the market, just but yeah, we just opened 715. Ultimately, I'm looking just take it further up if I could. It's not gonna be no random buys or anything, but again, all I'm sticking to is just my edge that I've tested over 43,000 videos. And by the way, I have a lot of receipts with BBAI in my Discord as well. Especially with this thing here, like still gonna stick to this idea where if there is a double break, I'm taking things further up, and if not, then it's all good. Bro, it does not just get simpler than this, really. So that's how BBAI is looking like. Let me know what is your opinion on this, because I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to get free daily market picks and emails, click the first link in the description. I'll keep you updated. Goodbye. See you.